So let's see what today's got. So remember, we've got options expiry today, so we should get a bit of toing and froing around the open and later on this afternoon as well. But in the meantime, the ES, I'm looking for the rest of this B wave up into this target zone and ideally to 28.90 to give the C down for the two that we're tracking, confluence with the 26.40 level, and that then ties up with the rest of the Fibonacci projections up to the ideal target region. So for now, I've got 5 down into last week's low for the A wave in, a straightforward ABC back for this A up. The warning here, we hit this 50% retrace fib. We came down, we only hit the 618 retrace yesterday. So it's kind of all mapping together. The pattern into it was difficult, but that's where the fib that it held, and we've pushed up reasonably strongly late yesterday and then again this morning. So I'm looking for that to continue to push up today, but we need to take out the resistance levels above us, which are right where we are now. Then 93 to 95 above that, 2800, 2808, and ultimately we need to take out this high and then watch the zone up above us. Now, the 1.0 extensions at 2870, I want to see at least that, and preferably 2890 to maintain confidence in this larger pattern, which remains where the expectation remains that we're still going to see new all-time highs before the bigger correction starts. But as I tried to sort of iterate in last night's video, there are levels to watch within the pattern. I don't want to see us take out 2696 at this point in time before we get up into this region. So we can still swing down one more time and then up. I think it's unlikely now, but if we do, this 2696, this 618 here is my line in the sand. We take that out in this go, and I think we're in trouble in the indices. I still think we'll get a rebound after it, probably, but if we've got an A, B, and we get a straightforward C down, then that projects all the way down to 26 something, very, very low. But for now, I'm looking at this 28-25 area. I really want to see us take that out to take that possibility off the table. So that's where I'm on the bigger picture in ES. If I just bring it down to the 15-minute time frame, so there's the A wave up, there's the count into yesterday's low, and that hit on the 618 retrace, and it all fibbed out rather well once I got the pattern right. So thank you to Brian for the coming up with that before I did. And I'm now looking for us to start to take these levels out above and head higher today. Coming over to the day trading chart, you can see that we have tested the lower region, and that gave you an absolutely picture perfect day trade entry this morning, which you could have tracked up to the upper region if you were up nice and early and wanted to trade this up. Now we need to get over here. Then these are the retrace fibs above us on the right hand side of the day trading chart, the retrace of the move down off the top of where I've got the A wave. So 2790, 98, 2808 next. And if you look at the pivots on those squeeze charts on the 30-minute chart that I'm tracking, they track pretty well with the fib levels and resistance levels above us as well. So keeping an eye on both of those this morning.